What's the longest nerve in your body? You guessed it, the vagus nerve. So the word vagus in Latin means the wanderer. So it's this long wandering nerve that starts at the base of your skull, and it flows through and innervates all of your organs, your lungs, your diaphragm, your digestive system, your heart. And there's two branches of it. There's the parasympathetic, which is that rest, relax, the digest. That's where all the healing and repair occurs. And then there's that sympathetic branch where it's that fight or flight stress response branch, where your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure goes up. The nerve can be overactive or underactive. So for many of us, it becomes underactive because of all the stress that we're exposed to, either through work, through the news, fighting infections. All of these things can be stressful and lead to underactivation of the vagal nerve. So let's talk about ways to increase vagal tone. And why would we want to do this? This will help increase oxytocin, which is that relaxation, feel-good hormone. It helps reduce anxiety, depression. It helps, again, put our body in that state of healing and repair. So easy things you can do to activate your vagal nerve and build that vagal tone is either humming or singing in the shower. Gargling is another good one. So that's something that I try to do before bed. You can do some gargling. Another way to activate it, which is maybe less enjoyable, is through gagging. So when you're brushing your teeth, you can initiate that gag reflex. Who would have thought that actually activates your vagal tone, which is a positive thing. The other thing is breathing, so taking nice, slow, deep breaths. Again, my favorite is a 4-second inhalation. You hold for 5 seconds and then exhale for 8 seconds. And that just allows your body to get into that more parasympathetic, healing, the rest state. So get your singing on, maybe a bit of gargling and gagging and some breath work, and let's get that vagal tone activated. Wishing you a lovely day.